You know that feeling? You are scrolling through credit card options in Dubai and every single recommendation points to the same 3 or 4 names. Emirates NBD, First Abu Dhabi Bank or Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank. Everyone talks about them because everyone has them. But here's what nobody mentions. While you are chasing the same cards as everyone else, some seriously smart residents are quietly earning more money back every single month with cards that barely show up in conversations. What if I told you that the best cashback opportunity in Dubai right now isn't hiding in the big name banks? What if it's actually in the places people don't even think to look? Stick around, because I'm about to show you the 3 cashback cards that are flying completely under the radar in 2026. And the numbers are honestly shocking. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, this channel is all about finding the smartest ways to manage your money in the UAE. And today is no exception. We are diving deep into something that could put a real cashback in your pocket every single month. Not fancy points that you will never redeem, not airline miles you cannot use, but actual money. Quick disclaimer, this is informational content and not financial advice. Everything you will hear is based on real numbers, real spending patterns here in Dubai, and actual cardholder experiences. Let's jump in. Let's start with the first hidden gem, the Sharjah Islamic Bank Cashback Credit Card. This is a Sharia compliant card and gets overlooked because it doesn't have the marketing firepower of the major players. Genuinely excellent for everyday UAE life. The online transactions and digital wallets like Apple Pay, Samsung Pay earn up to 10% cashback, which is capped at 300 dirhams monthly, which is actually fair for that spending category. International retail gets 2% with no cap, which is exceptionally rare. Local retail spending earns 1% unlimited. Then comes utilities, telecom, supermarkets, government services, and education all contribute 0.5% cashback. In short, almost every category you spend money on rewards you. The documents required include, for salaried customers, there is an application form, passport and Emirates ID card, copy, valid residence visa for expats, proof of income, and salary slip. If we talk about cost and eligibility, first year is free and afterwards around 200 dirhams annually. The salary requirement hover around 5,000 dirhams with salary transfer or 8,000 dirhams without it. That's accessible to most professionals. This card works brilliantly as your main driver, especially if you split spending between online and traditional retail. Number 2 card is another card that barely makes it into conversations, Al Hilal Bank's Cashback Credit Card. Al Hilal doesn't get the press, but what makes this card interesting is flexibility. Instead of locking you into one fixed structure, Al Hilal lets you select from various categories for higher rates. You can earn up to 5% cashback on rotating selected categories, things like fuel, groceries, dining, education, and sometimes international purchases. Everything else gets 1%, which is still competitive. And what's the catch? There is 300 dirham monthly cap for expats and 500 dirhams for UAE nationals. And why it's underrated? Because this bank frequently runs strong promotions on mobile wallet spending. You often get more value than the base rates suggest. Plus, many versions come with 0 annual fees and salary requirements typically sit around 5,000 dirham or slightly higher. It's perfect if you like options and don't want to lock yourself into a single spending pattern forever. Now let's talk about third card. This is the most underrated card on the entire list. Ajman Bank's ULTRACASH Mastercard. This card flies completely under the radar, yet it's arguably one of the strongest cashback offerings in the Emirates. The first in the UAE that offers up to 10% cashback on your favorite spending categories. What makes it special? Because you can pick 2 favorite spending categories, fuel, online shopping, supermarkets, school fees, and earn up to 5% cashback. On everything else, you get 1%, so the card remains useful outside your chosen categories. The maximum cashback per month, cashback on fuel, 400 dirhams, online shopping, 200 dirhams, supermarkets, 200 dirhams, and school fees, 200 dirhams. Spending will be capped per statement cycle period. New card holders get a welcome cashback bonus up to 300 dirhams based on first year spending. To earn the full 5% on your selected categories, you must spend over 8,000 dirham in total retail transactions in a calendar month. If your monthly spend is between 3,000 to 8,000, you can earn 3% 2% on chosen categories, and if spend is below 3,000, you earn 1%. There's a 300 dirhams monthly cap for expats and 500 dirhams for UAE nationals. Annual fee is roughly 300 dirhams for expats, which is quite reasonable. Salary requirement is a moderate 10,000 dirhams. This setup works exceptionally well for families with predictable monthly expenses like fuel or school fees because you are maximizing cashback without juggling multiple cards. The document requirement is similar, like you need credit card application form, passport and ID card, original salary certificate, 1 month salary slip, trade license if you are self-employed. Now, if you want the highest cashback potential on everyday essentials, there is a fourth card that deserves serious considerations. Dubai Islamic Bank Consumers Cashback Platinum Card. This one sits at a different tier. It requires a higher salary threshold and a minimum monthly spend commitment, but the reward structure is genuinely impressive if you can meet those requirements. Let's talk about the cashback breakdown. You earn 4% on supermarkets and hypermarkets, auto servicing, school fees, telecom, Etisalat and Do, fuel and toll recharges. That's substantial. However, there are individual category caps like 400 dirhams per month on supermarkets, 150 dirhams on utilities, but your total monthly cashback can reach up to 1000 dirhams. That's the highest ceiling we have covered so far. You get an complimentary roadside assistance twice yearly. This requires a 15,000 dirham monthly salary and a 4,000 dirham minimum monthly retail spend. That spend requirement is the key filter. So we have discussed the most underrated cash cards in UAE. So which one fits your life? You can choose Sharjah Islamic Cashback Credit Card if you spend a lot online and want broad cashback across almost every category with minimal fees. Best for online shoppers and digital wallet users. You can choose Al Hilal Bank Cashback Credit Card if you want flexibility, occasional bonus promotions, and zero annual fees, and you don't mind rotating categories. Best for people who like options and value variety. You can choose Ajman Bank's ULTRACASH Card if you have specific monthly expenses like fuel, school fees that you want to maximize and you prefer simplicity over juggling multiple cards. This card is best for families with predictable spending pattern. You can choose Dubai Islamic Bank Consumer Cashback Platinum Credit Card if you are spending 4,000 dirhams monthly on essentials and want the absolute highest cashback ceiling available. It's best for high earning professionals and families who can hit the spending minimums and want to extract maximum value. Those are the 4 underrated cashback cards that deserve way more attraction in 2026. Cards that most people sleep on but honestly shouldn't. From the accessible entry-level options to the higher earner powerhouse, there's a card here for different financial situations. If this breakdown was helpful, drop a like, subscribe if you're not already, and comment below. Which cashback card are you using right now? Is it actually delivering value or are you leaving money on the table? I would love to hear which one of these 4 caught your eye. Thanks for watching. You can watch more videos on related topic on this channel. I will catch you in the next one. Take care.